Hey guys, it's Nina and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to talk about some of the things that I do to manage lint in the winter. As I've said before, lint is unavoidable in your locks. You're never going to be able to get rid of it entirely, but there are some things you can do to make sure that you're not attracting an unnecessary amount of lint. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up? Welcome. I would love for you to stick around, so please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Also hit your notification bell so you know when I upload. And if you're interested, let's get started. The more hang time that you get, the more lint you're gonna attract, because your hair obviously is gonna be touching your clothes. It's gonna be touching your scarf around your neck. I guess I could say that's one of the downsides of your hair getting longer, is that it starts to pick up more stuff. It's worse in the winter because you're just wearing more fabric. I feel like if you have type 4 hair, whether it's loose or locked, you should be wearing a satin scarf under your cap. It's not only going to help you with lint, but it'll help you with frizz as well, and that's always great for your locks. And I know it's difficult for certain styles, but whenever you can do it, especially if your hair is straight, if it's down, I definitely recommend doing that. The second thing, this really applies to me a lot because I really like fuzzy things. I love fur and I have a lot of it in my home. It gets very linty and it's annoying. You shouldn't deprive yourself of the things you like just because of your hair. You still want to be able to live your life and express yourself how you want to, with your clothing, with your style, and your home decor. Something that I try to do for myself is I try to wear fuzzy things that match my hair color, or at least are some sort of natural hair color. I do think it's much easier to manage black fibers coming out all over the place, or tan, brown, dark brown fibers versus like blue or purple or white. The brighter the color is, the more it's gonna stand out. The next thing is to go for tightly woven scarves and sweaters. The more loose the weaving is, the more likely that the fibers are gonna come out and they're gonna be lint and they're gonna get stuck in your locks. So what I like to do when I go to the store, when I'm shopping, is to do a pull test and just tug on the fibers gently. Like, don't try to rip it out, but just do a gentle tug and see how many fibers come out. If a lot come out, you know that that's probably not a good item for you to pick up because you're going to be pulling the lint out of your hair. When it's possible in the wintertime, I suggest wearing updos. That's going to reduce the amount of hair that's in contact with your scarves and sweaters. It might get tricky when you need to wear a hat, but if you can swing some earmuffs and still be comfortable, I would suggest doing that. This is gonna sound bad, but sometimes I don't always wear a hat in the winter because sometimes I don't really feel like I need it. I'll just pull my hood over my head. The inside of my hood is nylon. It has some nice slips, so I don't have to worry about lint getting stuck in there. I don't recommend wearing hoods that are lined with fur, faux fur, Sherpa, anything that is really thick and cottony and fibery, because that's going to dry your hair out, number one, and that's also going to leave lint in your hair, number two, and it'll make your hair frizzy. And when you take everything off, when you get home or when you get wherever you're going, shake your hair out. If you need to go to the bathroom, go to the bathroom if you're in a public place, and that is going to do you a world of good for helping prevent the lint getting attached permanently. And last, I suggest having a little brush on you, and that way you can just dust off lint as it comes. I notice a lot of lint in the wintertime because of the things that I like to wear. Again, I don't feel like you should not be yourself. I don't feel like you have to change up your style because you have locks, but just know that, okay, if you're gonna wear this big furry jacket from H&M or Forever 21, just be prepared to pull some stuff out your hair at the end of the night. Be sensitive to the fact that they do pick up things. And that's gonna help your locks look better over the years that you might plan on having them. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share some of the things that you do in the winter to help manage lint, and thank you for watching.